In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of an object in Gimp. So what you want to do is first, of course, have an image or an object inside of Gimp, and then you want to select the area which you'd like to change the color of. So let's say I want to change the color of this flower over here, okay? And what I'm going to do is go up here to this fuzzy select tool, which will automatically select the areas I click on. As you can see, if I press over here, then hold down Shift and click in those areas, all the areas have been selected. Now, this was a brief selection. I'm not going to do it perfectly right now, but of course, you can do it perfectly for a perfect result. And you can do that by simply selecting with the free select tool. So up here, it's the lasso tool, same as in Photoshop. And yeah, you can use this and then just simply drag around and go very precisely, and you can get a neat selection like that as well, okay? But for this video, that's it. And now once you've done this, what you then want to do is create a new layer, okay? And you do this by clicking down here, this plus icon, and then make sure, you can name it if you want to, but make sure it says fill with transparency, okay? It can be anything else. It has to be transparency for this to work. And then you want to click OK. And now once you're on the second layer, okay, you have to go over here to where it says mode and then select overlay, okay? Now, in case you have selected your image with a lasso tool and not just like I did it, you can do this as follows, okay? You can right click and then click select and then click from path, okay? And if you click on from path over here where it says from path, you can basically get the selection onto your layer, okay? But in this case, since I haven't selected the path from the lasso tool, I can simply just use the selection that's been made already, okay? Just make sure you have this layer selected, and then what you want to do is go up here to this paintbrush tool, and then you want to change the color which you want the flower to be, or the object to be. So in my case, let's say I want it to be kind of pink purple, somewhere in between. Press OK once you've selected that. There we go. And then make sure you play with the hardness. In my case, I'm going to put it at 100 and then size a bit bigger so I can paint over it. And there we go. As you can see, if I now just paint over this, as you notice, it's not really purple. It's kind of, as you can see, it's kind of gray, kind of a very, very soft pink color. And that is because we've put it to overlay, okay? Now, if this happens to you, make sure to switch up from overlay to normal, and then this issue has been fixed, okay? Now, overlay works best for images that are from real world. So let's say you took a picture of something, let's say you took a picture of something in nature, and then you wanted to change the color of, let's say, a tree, so a real tree, not a drawn image. It would be great in those occasions, but if you only have like a logo or something, it's best to use normal, not overlay, okay? Because overlay won't do much, as you can see, but if you use normal, the color has been changed. So this is how you change the color of an object in Gimp.